Hi everyone, I'm Fat Papa. Welcome to my channel. You'll see the whole background is different, right? Before it's like you will see I sit in a room and then I talk about all the information, but from now on I will more focus on give you a lot of the food recipe and then how to cook like the Chinese food, Japanese food, American food, or even a lot different countries food like maybe Thai or Vietnamese food or even Taiwanese food. A lot different countries food like that I ate and then not hard to make by yourself, and or even it's healthy, or some of them is like vegetarian food or like soup and then it's like tastes good and I want to share with you. So from now on, if you go to my channel, besides like you can watch the video about all the different information about asthma, like allergy, or like all the online shopping information. And now my most focus is on how to eat healthy and then cook the good food I want to share with you. So if you want to get more information on how to cook like different countries food, or even like some of like the brand the copycat like the coleslaw from the fried chicken company, or like from the bread from a really good brand like Steakhouse, like all those I will talk about it. And since I cook it, if I can cook it, you can do it. If you don't want to miss it, remember to subscribe my channel, give me a like, and then ring the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. And each week I will have a video talking about the cooking recipe. I hope you will like it, and I want to see you on my next cooking video. See you soon.